All Everything Disc on Catalyst learners have access to a Your Groups feature that helps build team awareness. Your Groups allows learners to uncover and understand the hidden dynamics that influence team behavior, cohesion, and ultimately drive performance. Combining DISC with actionable group insights, Your Groups gives teams an impactful and fun way to build connection and community by uncovering their strengths, addressing challenges, and understanding blind spots. Once logged into your Catalyst account, Your Groups is easy to access by scrolling down on the homepage or going through the menu. Either option will open the Groups page and give you multiple possibilities for interaction. Please note that if you have set your privacy options to not share with colleagues on Catalyst, the Your Groups feature will be disabled and your colleagues will be unable to find you. Let's start by creating a group. You can create multiple groups with anyone in your organization who is chosen to share. It might be your day-to-day team, a project team, a leadership or management team, lunch group, or special interest groups. You can include anyone in your organization to find out more about how you might work together. On the left-hand side, you'll select Create, give your group a name, choose up to 25 group members, then select Save. By default, the groups you create are only visible to you, but you can choose to share groups with all group members through the group information options. Once you have your group, you have multiple options to explore. Group Map, Style Insights, Group Insights, and Conversation Starters. Starting with Group Map, you can immediately see the disc style distribution of your group. Which styles are most represented? How spread out is the group? You'll likely be curious to find out more about your teammates. By scrolling down, you can click on any colleague you'd like to learn more about and be taken directly to the Your Colleagues page. Here you can find more detailed information about what your colleagues care about and how your preferences compare. Knowing each other's disc style and how you each prefer to work gives you a head start on making workplace interactions more enjoyable and effective. To return to the map, select Back in your browser or go to the menu. In Style Insights, you can start thinking about your group in terms of the 4 quadrants, D, I, S, C. By selecting a style from the top, you can learn style-specific information about how different team members look at the world. For instance, some team members really care about making quick progress and having control, where others are more concerned with making people feel comfortable and minimizing tension. A team leader could use this with their teams by creating a group, sharing their screen, and then giving people within each style quadrant an opportunity to talk about their preferences. This is a quick and simple way to start or continue to build trust and cohesion. Group Insights is where you can take a deeper dive and start to think about group dynamics on your team. You'll probably first notice the chart showing the percent of group members with each style. Then, the drop-down items help you dig deeper into patterns on your team. Things like, does your team lean heavily toward 1 or 2 styles? Are there any people set apart from the group with a style all their own? As you scroll down, you'll notice the Group Continua feature. This tool provides even more insight into individual preferences and tendencies within your group. You'll be able to see exactly where your colleagues land on the continua for each tendency based on their assessment results. The list option below each continua allows you to sort and filter your group's results by name and how much the tendency resonates with each group member, enabling greater understanding and awareness of similarities and differences. In Conversation Starters, you'll find discussion guides that help your groups get to know each other faster, communicate more clearly, and make better decisions together. These easy and fun conversation starters will help you build cohesion, and improve performance using Everything Disk on Catalyst. As you continue to create groups, you can click the star to favorite group maps to keep them at the top of your list. If you find yourself welcoming new team members or are changing teams within your organization, you can edit any groups you've already created. Find the group you want to edit on the left-hand side, click the dots, and you have the option to edit the group info, manage the people in the group, or delete the group. If you're a part of a group that's been shared with you, but you've recently changed roles or project teams, you also have the ability to leave a group as needed. Remember, the Your Groups feature is available to all Catalyst users. So what are you waiting for? Start creating your groups today.